Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can pin several locations and maps, so let's get right into it. Now, for most use cases, this is only possible with two locations, at least on the PC version. On the mobile version, you can also select up to two as far as I'm aware, so the beginning and the end point of a destination or of a route, and pretty much the same applies for the PC. So to select several points and pin them, you can right click on any point you want and then either click measure distance or directions from here. In this case, I'll just use measure distance. Then I'll find another location, click on it, and as you can see now I have them both pinned. The same can be said for directions, so directions from here, and then click anywhere to get directions to there, and that is pretty much the same thing, and that is how you can pin them like so. And there is another possible method. You can go into your menu, go into your data and maps, and over here it'll open up this menu where you can change your home and work addresses. These will then be permanently pinned on your map, and you will be able to see them alongside any of other two locations that you decide to, well, pin. And that is pretty much it. You can of course add a missing place in your business, and that'll be then pinned on the map, as are all of these restaurants, for example. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.